But my you do get an option to get a tattoo. I want one on my waistline. If
you wear like a thong, as you say, or do you wear like a painting, or do you wear like I don't know, a jokey? What do you wear?
We can wear thongs. I can wear thongs. I can wear just normal boxes.
Is it? Take this question while she's processing it, yeah?
I enjoy it.
What?
You know why? I can fuck with you today. Because I'm a girlfriend. Okay, cool. When I want to see you, I'm going to see you. So after that, I'm less.
I think all men are gay inside.
One can jela matota.
Yeah.
Serious. Our fan,
yeah.
Mina, what I can say is, manic phone. Zotol. I'm gonna put you straight. If I want you, I'll catch you.
Like so, how? What do you mean? What do you mean? Tell us your secret.
It's confidential.
Stay tuned for another special episode of Easy on It with Sithole.
Hi guys, welcome to Easy on It with Sithole. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time I drop anything, you'll be notified. Guys, I think now we are getting blessed every day by LGBTQ community plus, guys. Guys, we are growing, guys. Today I have a special guest. As you can see, that there's no old faces, it's all new faces. So I wish they don't hold anything back, guys. They tell us what we have to learn, what we have to know about them. How on the community works, how this happens, how that happens. So without further ado, please introduce yourself. Who are you?
Hey guys, so this is Zobuse on Facebook. I'm Brown Barbie, and we have.
Hi guys, my name is Yanela Paddy. I'm on Facebook. Yeah, it's also on Instagram.
Nice.
Hi guys, it's your favorite gay kid. Living with another thing. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice, guys. And another thing, I saw Ravi. She's the one that I was busy interacting with her on Facebook about, like, we were supposed to shoot something. I wish it will happen, it will come to pass one day. Like, how did you know that you're a little bit different, like, when you're growing up?
I can't say, like, I grew up gay. I didn't, like, I was never in the closet or anything like that.
Oh, okay.
So, all my life I've been gay, so
at home they didn't say, like, yo, why are you
there were
this?
comments with my brothers, because like but then one time I was even is like that.
Wait. So about Putbako, they are the ones who were a little bit
they didn't understand me.
Is it? Oh, okay. No, I hear you. And then you?
So for me growing up, I was gay all my life. I mean, because at a young age, I was a person who used to dance to Beyonce songs,
Yeah. I was singing it.
Okay. Ladies, okay, the naughty girls and whatever, yeah. So that I used to do it, maybe let's say on the fridge, it's my mom, me, my dad, my brother. I knew at that age, I used to shake, I used to try, there's a lot of things like that when I was young. So I knew from a young age, as I grew up, as time went by, it's stuff I started hiding at some point, but then I knew in my life, it's a girl, so it's basically that,
And then you?
So Minane, like, I was about 5 years now, and I like to wear my sister's clothes. And stuff like that. I was playing with girls now.
Most of the time.
I didn't like boys,
So, Randy, starting with you, man. So when you date or when somebody sees you in a straight baggy, lips on a both, and what, like, when they approach you, do you explain yourself, Uguchi? yo, like, did you see which ubuza umuntu onjani? Did you see who are you calling? Do you have, those things, or you just, let it flow in your air, or like when people approach you?
Sometimes like mothers again, did you like, are you sure you wanna talk to me? Did you like do your proper research on who I am? Yeah. Because like abanye abantu like bayangishiya bese maybe I post something on Facebook, then they say who I'm gay, and I say, I thought you were a girl. Yabo kuna lawo moments. Now I have to explain, no, I'm not a girl, I'm gay.
And then when people hit you up?
No, not even my friends know. I'm not a guy's girl, I'm just to myself, what I mean? So
wait, what do you mean? What do you mean you are not a guy's girl?
I'm not dating, or I'm not looking, I'm not I haven't experienced anything like okay, I have experiences that do happen to me because of my sexuality, but then in terms of okay, how do you feel when a guy approaches you? I blank out, like shape bomb. You know what I mean?
And then you?
Yeah.
Please repeat the question.
Like if when the boys called you, say like Usbosh used to say, when we see busy can crash and so do you have to explain what do you know what to share? Did you check? Did you really check what you are calling a girl, or you are calling it's either? And now I'm thinking about my next question now. Like, do you have to explain?
Like sometimes I don't, because some think I'm a girl. Yes. And some know what I'm gay. Yeah, so I have to explain to some, and some know I don't have to.
So Ravi, are you like top gay? Like what are you? What's your pronouns? Let me put it in this way. And this question goes to all of you guys.
No, bottom, strictly bottom.
Ne?
Angiyenzi nje lokuthi uyangidla nyabula no way.
Yes. Strictly bottom, yeah.
Strictly bottom, yeah.
Same to you.
Strictly bottom, yeah.
And then,
Same.
Is it? Why am I talking about top? Where are you about top?
My pronouns, it's her, and it's her actually. My pronouns, it's her, she, that's how you refer to me.
Okay, and then Ravi, to you, have you ever experienced something bad just for you being who you are, like on the streets or?
Yeah. Bakhona labafana abadom. Yes, abafana who like making jokes, because they're trying to impress. And bona lawo bafana labo yibo nje basimeme belive.
What do you mean? You want to give me
Don't be bothered ukuthi umuntu is gay. I'm living my life.
After
why is it bothering you? If you're poor, like shuguti, you know what you're hiding under the cloth.
And then you experienced like bullying?
I have, a long time, like it's been, I think that's been ongoing, you know. But I saw that finally at some point. But then there is those boys, about the comments, Mawdlula, bayahleka and stuff. Mabangakuboni phela mawukude ababona ukuthi okay, babona ngathi you that girl coming. Mabathi, abe nama nasty comments. Athi Rona, Rona ngiyamshaya ngiyamlahla. Stuff like that, And I don't give them the that's why I'm moving. I don't even look at you, because you're not on my level, so you wouldn't understand it in that way, So Ukayo Njalo is just hiding himself. That's all we know. He's in the closet, in the darkest or the biggest, but then he's in the closet. He's insecure about himself, so that's why he's gonna have an issue with who I am,
Then you?
I mean, I haven't.
You haven't? Do you think all men are gays inside?
I feel like not all men are gay, but then all men, they do have the confusion. You understand what I mean? Because basically,
can you break that down? What do you mean the confusion?
Okay, you're gonna love how I look, how my body looks, how beautiful I am, but then you're not gonna like the fact that I'm not a girl. Okay, not that you don't like that fact, but then you can't accept it because you can't accept yourself. You understand?
Damn.
So it's
that's right.
basically, it goes for like not all men, but basically majority of men, you know. Because abanye, they are open out there. You can see the guy. He's you know, he's himself, you know. He doesn't need to wear dresses like us. When he's not a bottom, he's a top, he's nice. Why can't you be like that? Why can't you be that open to yourself? Love yourself in that way. Then also demean other people. No, it's crazy. It's crazy.
You take love. Do you think all men are gays? Inside. Not being vocal about it, but do you think all men are gay inside?
Wonke nje lamadoda nje.
Yeah.
Serious. Abafana ne.
Yeah.
Mina, what I can say is manje kufuna ngizokuthola. Angindaba ukuthi straight kangakanani if I want you I'll get you.
Like so, how? What do you mean? What do you mean? Tell us your secret.
It's confidential.
What do you do when you tell her like a straight guy to be what you want?
Ngiba lento man. Yabona lento ephezulu ekhekeni.
I become the cherry on top.
Yeah. And then you?
My same thing applies to me.
Yeah.
Is it? So you think all men are gay inside? For it?
They're just ashamed to come out because of people's options
and opinions. Okay, and then what do you think about After 9? Like, do you like After 9?
Oh, yeah.
Do you love After 9 or you hate them?
Okay.
Let me. Ravi, take this question while she's processing it, yeah?
Mina ngiyawa enjoy ashema ngifuna ukuhamba manje.
What?
You know why? Mina nginandaba shem. I can fuck with you today. Kusasa uhamba ne girlfriend yakho, okay, cool. Ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi when I want to see you, I'm going to see you. Mangifuna. So nje after 9 into zami lezo. Ngiyakutshela.
Yeah.
And then you?
No, I don't fuck with those.
Yeah.
No, I don't fuck with. After 9 months, day one. Like, I just love the attention he's gonna give you on the side, you know. But then, like, masesi mina angifuni ungifihle inkinga mileyo angifuni into engidlayo and amathatala naye fihla amathatha afihlana like ayafihlana and mina ngifuna ngibona njani hayibo hayibo
and then you
I don't like tension.
Yeah.
Like
no
manje niphela wathanda
choba ukuthi waphela ne ngisho ukuthi after 9 obviously there's the positives then there's also the massive negative you know that negative is
like cause me like I thought which After 9 they are the ones who act like, you know, brutal like during daylight, you know, insulting you guys, see you guys in like in certain eye, you know, like yo, who do you think you are, whatever when maybe a party somewhere you are left alone and says yo Ravi, come on man, let me highlight you. Do you understand? I thought they are those kind of people. So if you're saying you love them, now it's changing my view on After 9.
Mina shem awufuni kama man. Angimind ukuthi okay we can fuck. Mara mawubona abantu ungangenzi ngathi ngislim because shem I'll expose you.
Yeah. Uzoposta ama screenshot.
Customer screenshot that is akhona.
Yeah.
Message screenshot.
Yeah.
This guy omunye kanje ngikhuluma ngama lakhe.
Yeah.
Yazi guy wanzani?
Yeah.
Ba request avele. Half past 2 ebusuku wangilana guy. Masifika kubo uthi ngicela ngiphi phone yami. Ayingiyamnika vele. Yo, nami ngiya delete. Enhlizweni ngimbhekile ngithi lo akazi ukuthi ngiset. So nje if you're going to fight you have to behave.
Yeah, because I'm gonna expose you.
I'll expose you. Ungangenzi ngathi ngislim manje.
No, I hear you, man. And then how old were you when you lost your virginity?
I sang.
Okay, alright then.
No, I lost my virginity in matric 2022. I was how old? 17.
Umzala ngimazi.
Chobi. Capricorn ubana ngikutshela ngayo
Oh,
lona
yeah. Drama.
Wait. What happened? Please tell us some stories, man. What happened?
He was the guy who used to bully me, you know those guys.
Yeah.
You're one of the 9.
Yeah.
He used to bully me, guys. He used to beat me. Like it's just completely one. When I like man puma, like man is accommodating me. He used to scream like, "Oh my God, third floor, what's a bitch?"
No way.
And it's like, bro.
No way!
Like, it went on for a long time until we got to matric. Matric obviously ni RCL school. Lonabo palama number bathu wa register ma class wonke. Wenza group chat. Fairly nyayenza. Akangitextanga. Usucela textbook English fine, you know. Okay.
Wait. May you borrow me a textbook English?
English.
Oh, okay.
Because we are some scholar we are saying matric song, but different classes. Hi, I'm getting to say, sit at the guy. That's how I'm going to tell us and go to the man today.
Wait. I wish that like to me
like in being to me like Kashaka earlier, but in the first time, like the first guy I ever sent was him. You know, okay, I did.
But like now, this guy is asking for me. Like, let's take baby steps. You know, you got some juices already. You're rushing this thingy.
No, I just want to get everything in. You know.
So this guy, he used to bully you, whatever, on the complex, boom, right? Now you are doing your matric dance, boom, right?
Not matric dance, like matric.
Yes.
Matric,
Okay, so you are like whatever for school, that you are, you stand for kids, whatever, right? So now he start texting you personally now.
Yeah.
Because now he got like your number on the group. Yeah. And then he says, "Yo, send me some stuff here."
No, not send me.
Yeah.
Like he started they work with baby steps. He started kanjalo ngama textbook.
Yeah.
Then from our textbook to what are you doing? Ebusuku uba ngesikhathi 12.
Yeah.
I never go zone yami ke. I text. I send it. And I'm like, oh my God, it's what?
It's giving the thing,
Yeah. You text back, is now the other day, it's just a thing with his sense of what we usually do since it's done. I remember I'm being once can I break you? Let's break me once.
He said, "Can I break you?"
Yeah. And I was like,
"Oh, okay." Already now you already told him that I'm a virgin.
I told him I'm a virgin.
Yeah.
Because we were sending each other news,
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
So it's like, okay, let me try this, okay, I enjoyed it, but then I didn't want to ever do it again because it made me feel so like because I'm sleeping with someone who used to make me feel so low. You understand what I mean?
Damn, that's crazy.
So until this day, even I think when was it? In November last year.
No, as soon as I get which like how come like yes, give me go on like
we keep it started song.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay. So Nanje, it's usually like after that it was an ongoing thing. He like continued to put in, and so
now you guys are smashing now and then.
We smashed once.
Okay.
I smashed him once.
Yeah.
Never again. But he controlled my life. Do you know what I mean?
No, I don't.
The way I dress, tight.
I said I don't like it.
Like it's a complex the same group, we stay in the same, guy.
So he, so he became jealous of you.
Yeah.
From a hatred to being jealous of, like he didn't want anybody to Yeah. That's crazy.
Like there's a place we used to smoke at. No, man. Wait.
So he became obsessed with you.
I don't know.
No, he was. Be careful out there.
Guy was shitty.
No, I was a psychopath, man. And then you?
You're a straight up virgin.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay, alright. Ravi, back to you. Back to you, my kid.
You mean I am surprised? Mina ngidlala ngayo shem, angifuni ukuhamba manje.
Yeah.
Mina ngibreaking ngena grade 9.
What happened? Like, tell me some stories.
There's this guy. Ngambisa.
Because I don't want anything bad happening to you.
There's this guy. Bekahlala le White House.
Yeah, corner la.
Yeah.
Not when I uhlala video park and udlalela la.
Akuhlezi ngilashem. Amadoda wamaningi nje.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there was this guy ohlala ngase White House. One text to guy othi ngikhalele. I was still stupid, man. Ngingazi next years. Like I would visit him there.
Is he like a straight guy or?
I and Hashem is top.
Okay.
He's 7 years, I'm gay.
Okay.
Being ngamvakashela ngihlala empedeni nahlalela phe sofeni sichethe so the way beyangisaba ngakhona.
Wait. This is crazy. Like when I was phoning.
Siyacheta sirobineli one. Bekangisaba.
Okay. Now we're umsaba.
Obvious like
because you agree that you
benyeke phela ngizise bayongidla. How bengisaba.
Okay. Yeah.
Khona umunye ke na bengibhizi nabafana abangakhi abayithule freedom park. Omunye kahlala.
But you are still a virgin.
That time.
Yeah. Okay.
So lo bekathi ufuna ngidap and mina ngivakashele lo. So mina bengipena ukuthi umuntu engifuna ukulala naye kuqala ulo. Manje ngoba lo
what happened?
Yeah, siyacheta sharp ufuna ihead angizazi lezo zinto. Ngiyazama items zami yo. Hey. Saheva wangidla guy yeso. Yo bengifeel like mangiphuma lapha yami bengifeel ngathi yo ungidle. Yo bengifeel ngathi yo wenze ushaye khona. Athi ngizohlangana nalo. Ngasimeshisa lo ngabona ukuthi lo next. Ngakhatha ngimlahlela le ngababhizi nalo. Ke sajola nalo. Bese lo ke angijolela nomzala.
Umzala yini? Asikuye lo obsessed ngawo.
No, this was before gay that. This was before like grade 9. We could come on. If we current
2020.
No, but like I still wanna know the story like what happened.
Yeah, that one I'll finish off, you know. But then in terms of the guy was saying I was in the name. Okay, the guy he played us like you know. Mina he played me because mina bengahlabila ngidala guys umnandi man bakajola nomngane wami show me Instagram omuhle ngeli stop fish but anyway sharp
fish
okay
but then why are you calling her fish? Why is it?
It's a fish. It's a fish.
No, because I had to eat fishing about girl.
Yeah.
Like born girls, they are fishing.
Yeah.
So now. Oh, yeah.
I was spy apparently that time. So back up about check. Egg won't go with me.
Yo.
Oh yummy.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Okay, fair. So I looked at over text. Like the first time we actually kissed, we were on Bagashini in a plate. As a game.
Yeah.
Mama Mukolintin, Papa Mukon. We don't hear about packing them.
If you're taking my roses. I am that time.
We're sharing a steam or something.
Strawberry.
Matthew is so broken.
I moved on.
Okay. But then when I found out it's okay, guy, he's not. I'm not like me. I'm shouting his Tina, but then he's also dating Raven. I don't even like I didn't know they were dating.
Yeah.
I just knew that I was dating the guy. You know what I mean? Like he was just telling me about that.
Yeah. Oh, I'm aware. Yeah.
Hi, bro, guys. I was young, but then.
I it's fine. It's fine. No, I got you. Don't worry, I got you.
You only
I got
kissed
you.
once, baby
Yeah.
kiss. I couldn't even kiss. But please, what people out there? Basically, that's that. But then we didn't do anything, so we won't do anything.
Is it?
I told him that yes. Kube khona nomunye akataphizi naye. Esayidini.
Lo?
I should date him. I should like kamereni lakhe. Yakhona.
Oh, athi best friend yakhe.
Kanti yazi ukuthi ciao.
Ngithi.
That's crazy.
But anyway, it's a lot. It's a lot.
No, I got you. And then, Reverend, when time goes as like a lady, do you wish to have like kids or something?
What did
you say, you guys?
Mina ngifuna umntana.
Yeah.
Ngiyazibona ukuthi nginjani mina I'm demanding. Manje ngifuna manje umntana ngapha yo.
And then you?
Yeah, same. Umntana ngeke alone, angeke afithe budget yami.
Ne.
Budget yami ibhekele mina, ibhekele njalo. Umntana, hayi my responsibility. Amakimbi, ini yoba.
And then you?
Mina ngiyamfuna.
Hayi
Yeah.
That's wrong.
So like, okay, if you do you wish to adopt? How do ufuna ukuyolala ni fish to have ilona umntana or ufuna ukuthi thathwa like
ama sperm wami
for surrogate?
Yes.
Ne? No, I hear you. This is crazy. Are you burning?
Ngikhona umntana.
Yeah. Afuna ngizimntana.
Never. Noma ngaba nama million, never.
So when it comes to gay community, like when I say gay community, I means everyone on the alphabet. Ne? Who do you look after, Raven?
Meaning?
Like somebody's who, like you grew up saying that I wanna be that person. Yeah.
Mina, it's not someone like popular or something. It's just K Mona Lisa.
Who's that?
Yeah, not K Mona Lisa on Facebook. Yo, she's very pretty. Okay, baba umngani wami and like she would sit down nami angitshela ukuthi kwenza so. That's why nje yo ngiyamthanda kakhulu ngenhliziyo yami yonke.
Is it?
She's like a role model.
Wow.
Cause nje noma umjolo ungitrapa ngijumela kuye ngimtshela ukuthi
Wait. So you're not like, what is she doing like for a life? Like, is she successful at that much?
she's not successful. Uyasebenza uyasikhona.
Oh, okay. And then you?
No, I didn't have a role model, All my life I grew up, I navigated myself to where I am. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
That's why I still struggle I struggle in many things, that gay people will do, or like, like mangothi mhlawumbe sebafanele.
Yeah.
Mina ngizothi masengibhorekile ngiyakuba ngiyakithi ngimala ngamanje.
So wait. So somebody who's living, a gay life in such an extent that you feel like that person, and like how.
That's what I need. I've been navigating myself, which is why I'm slow in processing most things, around me. Because I've always been by myself. Like, people, they made me feel small for who I am, where I was living.
Yeah.
So
I can see, girl, like you got a bling on, you got like. You're heavy. You're
damn. I made some self-introspection, and I figured, why not,
And then you?
Mugellings.
Who?
Mugellings.
Who's that?
Mugellings.
No, you guys must introduce me to all these people.
No, Mugellings is celeb. It's influence.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
But like, if you do have like picture to the Kahalis just a bit so people can see. No, I hear you, man. I wanted to ask you guys something. What do you think about this saga of Mushindik?
What?
The saga of Mushindik.
Okay.
I didn't hear anything.
The one where Mutinibatan.
Yeah, no. Oh, yes, unabantwana bamatwi. So it's arrogant utufuna abantwana beke abantwana bakhe. So what do you think about that whole situation?
mina sho mangandaba as long as kungasabantwana bami.
Wait, Ravi. Okay. I heard you said you don't want kids in anything that expensive and whatnot. Let's say it's you on Mushe's shoes. Uhambile manje ukhipile, let's say lo muntu lona uthe 200,000 uzokubambela abantwana nani maintain the whole 9 months for lo muntu lona ikudla ilona ama doctor check up here and there. Then she comes back to you after you paid her off again. Then now she comes back and says ngifuna abantwana bami. What can you do if you are on Mushe's shoes? What have you managed like?
Ngathola spam ibambe so like ngibuza ukuthi are you sure? Because there's no way yo nyeka zosema kanjalo.
For me, I feel like if you sign a contract, you cannot go against it. If you sign with me, ukuthi I am taking the kids, I'm taking custody of the kids, I will go to court with you before even abantwana bekhona. We must solve the matter. You are not having the kids, I'm having the kids. I'm the one who wants the kids. When I'm paying you to carry the kid for me, and I'm gonna pay everything for you. I'll buy everything. For that, let's say those 12 months, I'll feed you that 1 year. Then after that, you have to see yourself.
Yeah,
and
of
I'm
course.
taking my kids.
It's done. The deal is done.
9 months, 3 months, we have a breastfeeder.
And then you?
Like,
You think so? If it was you on Mushe's shoes, now go to say hi.
Abekho abantwana bakhe bathwelile ngiphila imali izinto zokudla ayiseke indaba yakhe.
This is crazy, man. Guys, if you do allow, especially Amafish, if you do allow to be a surrogate mother of your kids, guys, it's a contract. It is there. You understand? Niyazwana ukuthi okay, uOpi uthi ufuna 150 now ukunikile imali. So make sure you do what you like. Rap is long kwarabati when you are nothing, just an oven. Which ukulisa lababati G. Then it's done. You understand? And then Ravi, when what are you doing? We like right now, like Yasebenza, Wenzani, how are you making living in fact?
I'm lazing around eating my parents' cash. Why?
When I eat okay,
for now, nothing.
Is it? Yes, that's how we manage it.
Ngisafuna nje ukujaiva, enjoy life ngisasemncane. Ukusebenza ngiyofunda.
Yeah.
They brought me to this world. They must work.
This one is an easy one. This one, guys. And then you?
Yeah, I work. Yeah.
9 to 5.
9 to 5 years.
Okay.
But then it's a regular, I just work there. Then again on my weekends I do the shooting. I socialize, enjoy.
Wait. You're saying you do the shooting and now, guys, it's just that like we are just doing some quick here and there. They're on a rush and everything. Like what kind of shoots are you doing?
I'm on YouTube, the Smash Your Pass, this is my first blog, my first podcast.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just like socializing, when I go out, sometimes I'm not really with Instagram, the usual, just for content, Yeah, so it's basically, it's just simple stuff, yeah.
Got you. And I'm sure you're still at school or something. But like, what do you want to do?
Like now?
No, like when you are done with your matric and everything.
Like, I want to go to university and finish my course.
Yeah. Which one? Which course you want to do?
Doctor.
Is it? Oh, that's nice. And then which brands do you wish to work with?
Nah.
Yeah, like to promote the brand.
Bonafela. Gang.
You wait. Bonafela. It's
And
a brand. And gang. Okay, and then you?
I'd like to be a brand ambassador, maybe like let's say a brand ambassador for like Shein, for example, like I'm a influencer, do you know my pretty bundle and then our PG sprinkles, who's that, for example, etc. I just want to be an influencer like that, you know. I'm a brandy and nice, like shoes, maybe your shops. Yeah, there's a lot of brands I actually want to go, but then I'm thinking a lot, but then I'm thinking the expensive ones. So I mustn't think the expensive ones. I must think, you know, moderate, you know, moderate, you know. So yeah, Shein for now would be influencer. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I got you. And then what inspires like the nose piercing and whatnot? Both of you, even you, Rav, I'm coming to you as a...
Mina, I'd look very cute, so I did it.
Is it?
It's love.
Yeah. So wait, so it means you guys go extra mile for love.
I do.
Yeah? And then you?
No, for me, it's just a decoration. For Mzotini, it's just an accessory, you know. I just put it on every now and then, you know. It's not a piercing. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, it's accessories. It's not piercings. I don't pierce.
Yeah.
So yeah.
No, I hear you. You haven't done the piercing yet, huh? Is it still coming?
I once did.
Is it? So why we even
it came off.
Then what decided to thanks alone? I got you. What do you think about like tattoos? Yeah. You know what I mean?
Their body is inked.
Yeah.
Wishy, no.
Yeah.
No sharp.
I got you.
Yeah, same. Tattoo shop. But man, too, you do get an option to get a tattoo. I want one on my waistline. Like I could it don't if I didn't see.
Yeah. Tell us. Yeah.
If I go to
handle with care. And then you know what? I wanted to, as I'm a bottom, right? All of you guys. I want to know, teachers, educators, guys. What do you guys wear? Do you wear like a thong, as you say, or do you wear like a painting, or do you wear like I don't know, a jockey? What do you wear?
We can wear thongs. I can wear thongs. I can wear just normal boxes.
Is it? Oh, okay. Isn't like against your
it's
your
not
bottomness or something?
a boxes is not. It's not. What am I gonna say? It's a boy leg. You're not boy leg. It's not diamond. I'm a PVD man. You know.
But I'm multi boxes. Me no, what is it? Look more PVD.
I'm a VD.
Yeah.
It's just I'm just calling it boxes because it's boy legs. It's those stretchy ones. Yeah. You understand what I get? Yeah. Boy legs. Like let's see if I'm shorts.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then you? Which one?
Won't get my paints.
Oh, I don't go my paint.
Alice.
Oh, I thought maybe in Kogama, I'm a jock stripe or something. Or you only wear jock stripe when you're playing too.
Yeah, jock stripe.
Smash your pies.
Man. I'm not a man.
I'm not a man.
Wait. So, I'm a jock stripe is for tops.
I guess some tops and some bottoms as well. But then it's for a specific type of person. It's not for me.
No way.
Not for us, actually.
No.
I don't think Obi and I go just like.
Why are you shaking?
No.
You'll be surprised because it was a jack. What do you mean?
Like we game differently.
No, we game.
Yeah.
Jockstrap is for them.
For some
people.
Yeah. But they're not for us.
Yeah.
That's why I keep at that dog.
Yeah. And then okay, and then how do you feel when people call you where is this name? Stavan.
First of all, when I see Mr. Stavan, we gay.
Stavan, you know,
it's
that word it's not besides offensive. It's old. Don't. That's how they used to. That's how they used to shame us back then. So it's not a good thing to say Istabane or Ishjuzane or those things, you know.
Yeah.
It's not good. If you can't say gay or homosexual, then get the fuck out.
Just leave it.
Get the fuck out, you know? So
Okay, do you want to share something? But like, I feel like because you guys are on your heart, I can see Ravi, you're always on your phone. You're always on your phone as well. Guys, I wish they will come back. Guys, I really wish they will come back. Ravi,
Hello.
please promise my people you will come back, man. We have to sit down. We have to have some more chat. We have to dig deep about LGBTQ. Just that today you're in a rise, right? So, what do you have anything that you wanna share with your people who are supporting you guys, or else if you want people to follow you on your handles on everything, just talk to your people, guys.
Guys, I've got y'all. Nyabuya. Anytime is tea time.
Yeah.
And please follow me on Instagram, TikTok, okay? Yeah, YouTube. Zonke. Revenues 648. YY. I've got you guys.
Then you?
okay, so for me guys, you better follow me on Instagram, TikTok, there's Facebook. It's all Yonela Betty, or you can say Yonela BB, or you can say Bad Barbie. So either one, yeah. They also, I'm going to open a YouTube channel soon, so you guys better search me. So yeah, basically I'll be back maybe. Okay, I should
Yeah, we need that promise,
I
guys.
should be back.
Yeah. You
I
should be.
back, you know.
Yeah.
But then I'm gonna come back and so give it so much chat. But anyway, you guys, yes, please also follow my OnlyFans.
OnlyFans. If you wanna see more
OnlyFans, Yonela Betty.
And then you?
On Facebook, TikTok and Instagram, it's Brown Barbie.
Brown Barbie. Okay. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Every time I drop anything, you'll be notified. Today.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time I drop a video, you'll be notified.